You think they're gonna go for the helicopter?
I don't know. I think they might have booby trapped it.
Oh, I didn't even know you could do that.
I'll booby trap right now with a C4.
Setting explosive.
So if they go on it, I could blow it up. Let's back up though. There's a box right there, so we gotta just look around. Oh, we ain't got. Oh, we got two on a heartbeat. So stay behind me. I think.
Oh, I see it.
They're in this building, man. Yep, there they are. So stay back.
Car's coming behind us, bro.
Yeah, sound good. Let him go.
No, he's
Damn,
like, oh shit!
Why'd you get out, bro?
Huh? Oh!
The
I'm
car,
scared of the car, bro.
They
You'll
can't
make
see
it.
us,
Just
man.
hang on.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
See, I got the vehicle. See, I hit the C4 on him.
Dad, look at those eyes.
Watch out, dude. Just wait. They're in there. Watch out, they're gonna see you, bro.
Look at those two eyes.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
I've been on the same heartbeat. They haven't left.
Gas is moving.
Somebody got in the car.
We're in the safe zone.
Need some ammo.
I
Come
just
down
tried
there.
to shoot him, but he shot me back.
I mean, you gotta get out of there if you can. I'm gonna get an ammo box. Get an ammo box. And get yourself. Oh, you ain't got no money. If you get over here, I could give you 2 shields.
Alright, come on.
Mark some gear.
Here, follow me on the right. We're gonna flank them around. He's probably looking at us, but here, get over here. We're gonna try to flank them, but they'll probably see us running, so just get ready. Alright, come on. We're still there on the heartbeat.
Gas is closing. Get to the
Helicopter
new safe zone.
looks like it's approaching behind you.
Here. Okay, come on, just you gotta crawl. 'Cause they'll hear you.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Oh,
Friendly drop back on the way.
okay.
The dude, 2 loadouts just landed on top of the building.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Got him.
Shooting at me.
Got them both?
Yeah, get up here.
Oh
Hurry.
shit.
Got gas moving in.
Get up here.
Wait. Ooh, this guy right here. Oh god,
We're
I
in
jumped
sight.
on a
Cancel
vehicle.
movement.
I'm getting hit.
Less than 25 targets remain.
I'm here. Get ready to move.
Hurry up, he's coming up. Hurry, 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 hurry. Damn it! Ran out of bullets.
Oh! What the hell?
25 remain.
Oh, damn.
Learn from the
Alright,
loss.
good game, bro.
Failure wisely.
Oh, alright, brother. Good night.
Yeah, you too.